Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you all are good. So, today I'm talking about how to think in English. Yes, guys, thinking in English. Oh my god, this is not for me because I have tried many times, but I could not get any benefit results. Yes, these things you are thinking in your mind, or this water is going to think in your mind every time. So please hold on your horses for a while, because I'm going to reveal some unique method in this video which will get you help to get out from this problem. Okay guys, so I know it very well that it is pretty easy. Of course, it is. It is not that much easy, but we can say that we can achieve our things, our goal, or we can do it. Yes, guys. Yes. But let me tell you one thing, that thinking in English is directly proportional to talking in yourself. Yes, guys, talking to yourself. So that simple method is all about to talking to yourself. Yes, talking to yourself. Yes, I know that it may sounds bizarre to yourself, it may sounds common to you, but you all at the same time, but you don't know, guys, what kind of benefits you are going to get from the end of the day. Yes, guys, because their thinking in English is very unique method. Is just you just start thinking in English by yourself. Think in your mind, talk to yourself as much as possible, or as much as you can. Okay guys, because which I did initially days, I did these things. I talked myself many times and frequently, each and every single day I talked myself. Yes guys, I talked with myself. Why guys? Because I love actually, because I love actually talking to myself, because there is no one who can communicate with me, and who can communicate to another topic with me for a single minute. So what I did, I make myself as a friend, okay, which who can communicate with me each and every day single minute. Every time I can talk with myself, because I made myself as a friend. Okay guys, so in this way I learned, I thought, I started to think in English. Okay, so guys, you can also do with yourself. You make yourself as a friend, because if you see around you that anyone speak or anyone communicate with me in English language, so nobody is here, only you are along with you every single minute. So you also start this thing, you just start talk with you. Okay, because you are available every single minute. You can elaborate your thoughts, your things, whatever you, or whatever in your mind, you just elaborate it, you can explain it, you can explore it by yourself. Okay, because it is very 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 beneficial for you. And once when you will start this thing, when you will start to talk to yourself, it will really going to helpful for you. Okay, so another question is that if we are started to think in English, so what we think, what? Okay, so this is the big question. Okay, so you can think in your mind, you can think any topic around you, or you can take any little stories you can make by yourself, or you can recite by yourself. Okay, and you also, what you can do one thing, you recite poem, after that you can recite poem or story, whatever, but all these poems, stories or topics must be in English. When you will speak in English, so many topics will, all the words or sentences or phrasal verbs will come to your mind very frequently. Okay, yeah, yes guys, so that is all you can discuss, whatever you want. Okay, whatever you want to do, there is no limit guys. Yes, there is no limit. If you are uh, making to you that you are friend, okay, or if you are a fritter, or to talk on any random topic, or you can describe very little topic. Yes, very little topics you can also describe it. So what is happening in the end, you will be able to speak out, or you will be able to, you know, feel confident. Yes, once you will you when you will speak by yourself, so you feel like, yes, I'm very confident this time, I can talk myself. After that you can switch your communications with others, you can switch it. Okay, so that is what all I want from you guys. Yes, yes, so you might to all thinking in English, and it is just a conversion. Yes, it is just a conversion task, because it is easier that than you done. Yes, you might be saying so many things, but it is us who has to do, and who has, yes, yes, so who has to do, and all have these techniques and implement in order to improve your English speaking skills. Yes, or in order to make yourself think in English. Yes, you can make it, right? Make it, of course. I can, you can do that. I know that. Listen to me guys, I improved, or I implemented this method in myself. Yes, and you don't know guys, you don't know what kind of benefits, you are going to get in the end. Yes, 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 but it approved. Yes, it approved and approached these method in this unique way. You can do it. Okay guys, yes, let me tell you, one thing, that what I used to do this. Okay, when I started, so I started to learn like two vocab or one vocab. Initially days I started five vocabs to learning, but what happened with me, I just forgot. Okay, I forgot. After that, after some time, I realized that no, this is not the good way. I have to learn at least two or one vocab in a day, so it will better for me, and I can elaborate it in my sentences. Okay, so I started. So hey guys, you can also do this. You can learn two or one vocab in a day, or in a day. Yes, yes, yes. So what the connection between vocabulary words and thinking in English? This question is come to in your mind. Yes, so I'm going to tell you. Okay, okay, then let me tell you, or let me clear to you that point is here. So what I used to, after learning two vocabs in a day, so this method is very clear that you should learn at least two or one vocab in a day. So what I used to create, I used to create a story, or I used to weave a story on my own using those two vocabulary words which I learned. Yes, but why? What is the reason behind it? Why? Because if we are learning some vocabs and we are not using that vocab, so we just forget it. Okay, so don't you don't want to forget it now, so you just take that two vocabs which you learn, or one vocab which you learn. After that you can create own story by using those vocabulary which you learn. Okay, after that what happened with you, this vocab will set on your mind and you will never forget it. Yes, you will never forget it. Okay, so do this thing. Okay, so in the end I'm going to tell you one thing, that don't underestimate to yourself, because you are only one person who can do it to make you think in English, because there is no one, guys, to make you, there is no one to make you think in English. Yes, so you just do, you make yourself think in English. You can do it, guys. Okay, so if you like this video, like, share and subscribe the channel, follow for more videos, and yes, thank you for the watching.